So for all interested potential buyers, I am still in the midst of cleaning out and cleaning up the interior of the car. That's the fan shroud and the old carburetor, because I put on a new Edelbrock carburetor. So I'll show you guys the inside, but like I said, it's still very dirty, needs detailing. I detailed the driver door panel today, so I'll show you kind of the before and after. Car is very dusty right now still, but here's what it can look like. Pretty happy with how that turned out. And this is what we started with over here with the runs and just kind of not looking so good. All the marks on the white part I can get off. I've done it. Back seat is intact. All those brown marks right there will come off. Needs a good steam cleaning. Again, it's sat in a barn for 20 years. Get my bucket and stuff out of the way. Here's the front seat. I do have the pieces for the horn ring. The dash has a split right there. But again, original. So if you're looking for a Survivor, this is it.